little bit of a free-for-all, so all I know is there's definitely some really bad washes over here, so yeah, be mindful of that.
I hear that plane again. He's just out here having fun.
That was so cool. Their own personal air show.
Yeah, I definitely want to get a photo op over here with all of us lined up underneath Factory Butte.
There's Whoops here.
This sucks. We got one of these losers here.
Do you want to try to get your picture first, or do you want to just explore a little bit around here?
We can explore a little bit, but you know, kind of where we were when the last time we were here, where we got photos. That's a dope spot.
Yep. There's a washout. Slow down. Washout. That one not be good if you hit that fast.
Right where I'm at, Jeff. Thank you. I see it.
I think we're getting close to the road here, so we can turn back around.
I was gonna say, you wanna go back around, maybe go to the left side of that rock formation?
Yeah, I'll just make a U-turn and then we'll figure stuff out. Apparently there's a, let me see where this trail to the right goes. Let me take a look at that real quick. Oh, yeah, we'll do this. We'll turn right and it'll bring us back to that area. Slow down for that one. That one's a little rough.
A little dip. That looks pretty bad.
I mean, it is what it is. We come into another one. Yeah, there's just a lot of washouts over here.
There's a deeper one, Jeff. Big dip. You guys want to line up in this big ass field with Factory Butte behind it?
Yeah, whatever you think is the best shot.
Alright, let me get around you then.
Okay, I mean, you can go wherever. That's wide open over here.
Ooh, this is soft.
Yeah, we're not on the main trail.
Alright, give me a second here. I don't know if this drops off. Yeah, it drops off right there.
Yeah, I just stick to the main thing for right now. It's gonna get us in between Factory Butte, some other stuff. This is like the only main trail that gets us close to Factory Butte. Everything else is walking, supposedly. I mean, you can try to take the truck there, but it's gonna be soft like what you see. Yep, you can go right.
Yeah, I'm just looking. Hold on.
Okay. Yep, you're not taking the truck left.
I found a spot over here. This might work. Oh yeah, right here. This will be good. Alright, give me a second and I'll get out and I'll tell you guys where to park.
Roger. There's a vehicle to the right. Well, looks like the trail ended there. That sucks. Might have to turn back around. Because I'm not going to do that. Oh, yeah. We could. I don't know. Do you want to do that? Nah, it doesn't look the best. We're going to turn around. You have to go up that ridge, and it's pretty narrow.
Go around me.
Okay, yeah, I got plenty of room. I'm just gonna see if there's a better way here, but it doesn't seem like it. Try and get to a main drag. I'm just gonna explore here real quick. See if there's anything decent. I don't know if the Jeep's gonna make fits though.
We going that way or no?
Let me get a little closer. We may. I see some tracks here. Yeah, let's go this way. I see a main trail here. The Jeep will just have to go a little slower, I think. Yeah, I'm on the main drag here. Yeah, I don't like this either. But yeah, I need to go where that truck is at. I'm gonna take a peek out over this ridge and see if we can get back to where that truck is.
That was a lot of excitement for before 9:30.
Yeah.
Left here?
Let me see if there's a good place to pass you, but I think so. We're on the main trail, so just follow. I think we should be going right a little bit.
Wide open here. I don't see any problems. Yeah, that's the road straight ahead. So just figure out whatever trail leads that way. You're good.
Yeah. Well.
Don't follow too close, Jeff. I don't want to hit a big washout here or something. Copy. Ooh, that's soft. A little bit of a washout there. You guys should be fine. I'm slowing up. Dip right here, dip right here. Slow down. Yeah.
My flashy lights are, Brandon.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, pull up. There's a big wash up here, but follow me in. Oh, hold on. Never mind. I won't make that. If you take enough speed, you will.
You know, you can go off the trail. I mean, this is a free-for-all, so if you find a better line, do it.
Yeah, found one right here.
Oh, you could have made that. What are you worried about?
Who needs a front bumper? Another washout here. Not too awful. Go ahead and jump back in line. That's the road right there.
Roger. Awesome. Thank you.
Here.
Not bad for a Jeep.
So we're going to take this back into town, correct?
No, we're taking trails.
Okay, so are we going left or right?
We're going to be going left. Here, I'm coming up here. Thanks, Alan, again. That was great.
No, I gotta go just take it slower naturally because I can't hit that stuff that hard.
Yeah, we'll go slow. We've been on this, so. And then the trail we're gonna be on, it's not gonna be fast paced, I don't think.